Welcome to our deep dive into the world of crypto investing strategies, where we unpack the pros and cons of two popular methods, dollar cost averaging and active day trading. Let's start with dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money into crypto at regular intervals, regardless of the price. The major advantage of DCA is its simplicity and psychological ease, allowing investors to avoid the stress of market timing. By investing regularly, one can potentially lower the average cost per unit and mitigate the impact of volatility. This method is particularly advantageous for long-term investors who wish to accumulate assets over time without constantly watching the markets. However, DCA's downside is that during strong bull markets, investors might miss out on larger gains compared to investing a lump sum. It also requires discipline and patience, as it can be tempting to deviate from the plan in the face of market fluctuations. On the other hand, active day trading involves buying and selling crypto within short time frames to capitalize on price swings. The potential for high returns is the key attraction. Day traders can take advantage of both upward and downward price movements, making it possible to profit in bear and bull markets. The thrill and potential for quick profits can be extremely appealing to those with the time and skills for intense market analysis. But active day trading has its downsides. It's incredibly time-consuming and can be stressful, as it requires constant attention to market trends and quick decision-making. The risk of significant losses is high, especially for those without a well-thought-out strategy. Additionally, transaction fees can eat into profits, and emotional trading can lead to poor decision-making. So which strategy is right for you? It largely depends on your risk tolerance, time commitment, and investment goals. DCA suits those looking for a hands-off, long-term approach, while day trading offers potential for those seeking immediate rewards and willing to face high stakes. Whether you lean towards the steady path of DCA or the thrilling world of day trading, understanding your preferences and abilities is the key to choosing a successful crypto investment strategy.